Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we've been pushing down pretty decent. We do have a little bit of a breaker structure, so we do know that this wave from here to here is at least over. Now, today is FOMC interest rate news for the US, and I will be live streaming for that news event, so definitely make sure to stop in and get your latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. But this one is a little hard because I am still very bullish the dollar overall. So this could just end up making a higher low and pushing up again, and that would make a lot of sense to me if that's what it does. But the reason why I say this one's a little tough because it kind of looks like a one, two, three, four, five. Looks like it potentially now should make three waves down, maybe break structure, then make another wave to the upside for a more proper three-way pullback, which would likely be a pullback to this whole five waves down. So definitely for now, we're just going to go with the flow. The flow is telling us to look for shorts unless we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level. We kind of pushed past the 38%, so even if it does push up, it probably is just going to be a pullback within a downtrend. Like I said, I mean, this pair kind of makes me think that it's going to overall go down potentially for the next week or two. The US dollar makes me think that it could just turn bullish. So if it does start becoming very, very bullish, if it does, start to break structure to the upside, then we definitely want to go back to being bullish because we definitely want to pay attention to what the US dollar index is doing. Because for me, that kind of tells me what to do on all of the major US dollar pairs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.